Okay everybody, on this video for this John Deere Z425 we're going to be replacing the deck belt. The new one, the old one broke off, the new one's already down there, and I decided to start making a video for you. But the tools you're going to need is 3/8 inch ratchet with 1/2 inch socket, 1/2 inch breaker bar. The only size I had for the pulleys, because you want a tight fit, was 15 millimeter. So I have a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter, impact adapter, safety glasses, and somewhere to store your hardware. First thing you're going to do is come on the right side, and on the back side of the shield, it should say no step, is going to be that 1/2 inch bolt. Go ahead and pull that off. Then the shield you want to push back to the rear of the lawnmower and pull up, and that comes off. You remove this 1/2 inch bolt, and this shield you push towards the right of the lawnmower that way. Then pick it up, set it aside. Remove this 1/2 inch bolt. Put the hardware in one place. Pull that part up. It takes a 15 millimeter wrench on this side as well. And you just want to get it loose to where you are able to slide the belt over it. Take the belt, just move the pulley to where you can slide it in, and just tighten it up. You want to make sure the pulley still moves, but there's no play in this bolt, because you don't want to lose the pulley while you're cutting grass. Now that you have it through that side, alright, 15 mil, get loose. Now this one. Alright. Move the belt out of the way. Pick it up. Clean this out while I'm here. Alright. Take the belt, pull it over, take the pulley, put the belt in the groove of the pulley, line up the bolt, and start it. All the way down. Okay, that's done. Tighten it back up. Nice and snug. Alright, now that's that. Okay, I don't know how good you can see, but routing this on a 54 inch deck, the belt has a V on it and a flat side. The flat side you want against this pulley right here. Now you go around between the retainer and the pulley, which what we just did, straight back to the drive pulley. Then after that it comes over here, comes around this this spindle right here for this blade. You wrap it around to the spindle on the front blade or the middle blade. Then at that pulley, you route it to the back, as you see here. Go around this idler pulley, then you go to the left blade. You go around the left blade, come back towards the right side of the mower, not around this right here, but around this. And you want the flat part up against this as well, within this retainer right here. Now to attach the spring, what I found easiest, I go to the left side, make sure the pulley is off that side, off of the left blower, off of the left mower blade, the spindle right there. I go to the back of the mower and I go ahead and put the belt on the drive pulley. Once it's on the drive pulley, I come over. Let's see if I can do this without being in the way of you guys. I'm attaching the idler pulley spring. Now the easiest way I found to do that, this hole right here, this is where you want to attach the spring into. And you just slide it in there. That's all you do. Just like that. And there's not going to be any tension on it because the left blade is not routed. So I just, where is it? That little tab right there. You want to wrap the spring around there. Now what I do, I take the slack, I pull it tight, then I reach and grab. Again, make sure you have safety glasses on. And I pull. And I keep pulling until I get the belt routed around the left mower, left blade on the mower deck. And that's it. Okay guys, now that the belt is installed, you just want to verify that it's not kinked up anywhere. You want to make sure all the idler pulleys rotate freely without any movement up and down, that your blade pulleys are good, and then your idler pulley that has the spring attached to it. And of course you want to make sure it's on the drive pulley underneath the mower engine. Once that's done, you have to reinstall this piece right here, this hole, or this bar right here goes in the hole right here beside this idler pulley, and it bolts in right here. So you do that, like always, hand start. You just want to snug it. The reason why you don't want to over tighten it, you don't want to strip out that and have to use a bigger bolt. Then you have tabs right here on your shields. You have two tabs right here, just like the other side as well. Then right here on the hole, you have a square with a circle. You want to insert it in the hole, both of them, then move this to the left and bolt it down. And then on the other side, you just do the same process. But that's it on installing a deck belt on a John Deere Z425. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down. But if you hit the thumbs down, just please let us know where we can improve. Thanks everybody.